down there.
Evacuating the city centre. Hey, bro, how are you?
Brother, fuck.
You alright?
How are you, G?
I've seen a few dead people there.
Oh, fuck, have you?
City centre's like real bad, bro.
Oh, here then?
Yeah. CTV building, no survivors there, mate. It's real fucking way worse than the original one. Yeah, I wouldn't go in the city centre at the moment. It's like,
works at Mackenzie and Willis, so he's really worried about hearing fucking
you won't be able to get in there.
furniture and glass.
Oh yeah, there's a few injured people.
Yeah, how do we, cell phones are down, how do we contact them? Or?
I don't know, but they won't let you in. There's gas leaks and all sorts of shit. They're sending everyone to Latimer Square. Hey bro, how are you, right? Pretty gnarly, eh? Seen a few dead people in the city centre. Yeah, it's real bad, real bad. So, home's destroyed, is it? Yeah, my staff were looking at me like stunned mullets.
I think that sounds good.
Hey man.
It was more the violence that was throwing the shit around. Like, yeah.